Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, look at the boss man. I don't know what he's doing. You want to tell him what you're doing?
Huh?
You want to tell him what you're doing?
Just a box to hold all the testing tools that we need to do the tuning for DSPs and all these new crazy cars.
So you make it more accessible?
Just keep everything organized on one box. So if you lose one thing, you lose everything.
So if you lose one thing, you just fucking start over.
But the good thing is, I mean, a case this size is not easy to.
Why don't you cut the cable to make it shorter?
Because I don't want to
damage the...
Yeah, just like do more connections.
Oh yeah.
Keep it original. If I need warranty on it, they're not gonna complain about, you know, oh, there's no warranty because you cut the cable.
So when we're done, are we gonna sell this contraption?
No, this because
if it works good, it's gonna be nice to have for other people.
It is nice. Audio Control is selling it, the kit already in a case like this. Just
we don't need
the idea.
We got all the tools to make our own kit. We don't need your Audio Control. Sorry, guys.
Thank you for the...
Thanks for the idea. That's why we don't push it on YouTube, dude. That's why we're selective recording.
This one is gonna be a little bit better than Audio Control because the charger is inside. The plug is right here to charge it, and I'm gonna try to keep everything, you know, really more simple. Practical. Yeah.
Nice. And that's for the RTMA tools. What's up, people? It is a new day. We're gonna be doing a nice town and country vehicle. It's a buddy of ours who always comes here now. He's a good guy. He is actually wanting us to put in some plastic pieces that change the dash from a plain old ugly dash to a nice trim like wood grain. So we'll check that out right now. Let's go check it out. Come with me to the back where all the fun happens to get stacked. All right, so this is the van right here, people. This is it. This is what he brought me. This is the wood grain trims. Yeah. So pretty much they're just gonna go over the plastic pieces like the dash and whatnot. So we're gonna help out my buddy Juan. Gotta clean it really good with alcohol. Is that what you're gonna use? And lay down that trim.
Gracias. Siempre ha sido muy comprensivo conmigo.
You want the degreaser?
No.
I have degreaser.
Alcohol is better. Para que quede bien shiny.
Maybe you're supposed to break it.
Yeah. Maybe. Yeah.
$3 and Nike. Órale.
Primer.
What's up, boss man?
So you're taking my customers?
He said he had an appointment already, like you already talked to me. I didn't even sell it, right? No, I just took a peek.
Are you taking my customers or something? Huh?
No.
There we have a wood piece.
Alright, so he already put one piece on. It looks really good. Hopefully we'll come back and we'll check out the rest. Cool? Alright. wow, you can see a big difference. Check out this. Oh yeah, I like it. That is awesome. I didn't even think it was gonna look that great, but it looks good. So this thing's coming out cool. Then I do a little bit of a rear wire, and hopefully it'll make it look good. Oh, look at this. It's a real treat when the boss is working on your car. And you're lucky. Not that many people get to get the quality of the Patron. So this is what they did for the GW.
Mañana llega.
Oh, this razor's a beauty. Let me get a widest shot right here. All right, bam. Lewis is gonna do the razor next. So this customer already got some speakers, as you can tell. He got some 6.5 gels right there, and I think he has a subwoofer and an amplifier. So the sub is in there, and I think he has the gel audio Bluetooth. Hold on, let me see. I know he has that. Bluetooth there. Subwoofer box is there. This was just a little setup for the guy, right? He didn't want nothing crazy, he said. Yeah, I know, but now he wants a little more. So we're gonna put an extra set of speakers. We're gonna put the radio. So let's check it out. They got her done. All right, guys, I'm on the GoPro with no microphone. Sorry, my camera died. But the GoPro is good. So we already got the radio installed. We got the 4 speakers done. The audio might be a little off because I don't have a mic. Bam! Gina, I like that. That's cool. That works. Oops. Cool, that looks good. That's cool. Does this still work? Oh, it does. Oh, but there's a lot of cables back there. It's not that great. Cool, so they got everything done just in the nick of time. Customer's gonna come pick it up. That's a wrap, man. That's a wrap for the razor. Razor's done. Boom, baby. What's up, people? All right, that's it. Finito, done. Listen, subscribe and follow because we have great content. We're doing new builds all the time, new projects. It's the best. I'd like to thank Audio Systems for sponsoring the video. We're giving us all of the cool cars we get to record. Also, any questions or comments or something you want to see, let me know. Also, share this video with your buddies who like car audio because we need to grow this channel, people. In order for me to help you, you gotta help me. All right, cool. Peace. Thank you, guys.